Hello, 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 hello. We are here again. This is Julie again giving some informations on about job hirings. And this time, sa Japan po tayo ngayon. So, kasi may mga nag-request na may ano po ba yung mga new offers ng Japan. So, I found this latest hirings for Japan, which building maintenance engineer, care worker, automobile repair and maintenance. So it was posted last October 16 to November 14 for the posting for all of these vacancies. So automobile repair and maintenance, uh, engineering and interpreter, care worker, automobile repair and maintenance. Also they posted it many times. Farm worker and caregiver. So these are the latest postings for Japan, which is offered by Infotech Professional Services Incorporation, and the other one is the Sacred Heart International Services Incorporation. All right, so I will go one by one for all the qualifications for all these jobs and for the additional informations for the agency and how does this hirings worked. So how is the interview worked for the situation right now that we are experiencing. Okay, so let's start. Building maintenance engineer in Tokyo, Japan. So there are 4 vacancies for this. So application is until November 14, offered by Infotech Professional Services Incorporated. So the address of this agency is MRE Commercial Complex 1157 Quezon Avenue, Barangay Santa Cruz, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I know that when we are using the cell phone, so yung mga letra niya is ang liit. That's why I just read all of you this one because I know even if you zoom it, it's very hard to read. Okay, so anyway, let's check first for the status of this agency, Infotech Professional Services Incorporated. Agency. Okay. Okay, so this is for the job orders by agencies of October 13, 2020, Infotech Professional Services Incorporation. All right, so their latest here is September 22, August 12. So I think this and they got job orders. So they have lots here. So I think let's say assembler electric equipment, electronic assembly, inspector machinist, maintenance and automobile repair, worker finishing. So these are their latest. So they have already job orders for all of this one. So September 22. So for those applicants, the job orders already, or it's ready to fill it out. Okay, so for those applicants, they doesn't need to wait for a long time for the job orders to release because it's already released here. Okay, anyway, so building and maintenance engineer, the qualification is male, 18 years old and above with or without experience, at least bachelor's college degree. Okay, so this is good for those looking because with or without experience. So it says here the job order is already released as we had checked for the POA website that job order is already there. So it says here must be language GLPT N2 or N3 may permitted. TOEIC certificate 800 points above. Engineering at least bachelor's degree, science, technology, and engineering majors. Specialist in humanities, international services, at least bachelor's degree, all majors. Work experience. It says here work experience is preferred, but It also says here with or without experience. Okay, so it didn't tell for additional information for this agency Infotech Professional Services. So I go over for their Facebook account. Alright, so this is their Facebook account here. Infotech Professional Services Incorporation. So they got contact details here. So in the Philippines, of course, Facebook, it's easy for us to reach for the Facebook. So you can see their contact numbers here, 0915-659-3763. So you just go for your Facebook and look for this Infotech Professional Services, and they have all the informations here. And they got also the email address where you can send your resume. Okay, and you can also see all their postings here. Okay, so that's the information for this agency, Infotech. Okay, so they are also in need of care workers. So there are 10 vacancies for this. So for female or male, 18 years old and above. Let's check. Okay. Okay, for male or female, at least high school diploma with or without experience. It says here, due to COVID-19 pandemic implementing on community quarantine, we will conduct a Skype interview. The job order is already approved and posted at POA website. Yes, as we read on the POA website. So must have passport, language at least N4, certificate, GFT certificate, pro metric certificate, work experience is preferred again for this one. Okay, so that is for the care worker. So another is the automobile repair and maintenance. There are 4 here, at least for male 18 years old and above with or without experience, at least high school diploma. So you must have, it says here, the Skype interview may be adjusted depending on the employer's request. Must prepare the following: passport, language at least N4 certificates, JFT certificates, skill test certificate, work experience is preferred for this. There is no age limit for this. Okay, so another is automobile repair and maintenance for TITP. I'm not sure what is this TITP means. So let's just take a look. Okay. So the qualifications is male, 18 years old and above with or without experience, Filipino at least high school diploma. Okay, so you must have passport, language level, GLPT, and 4. And there's no indicated age limit for this. Okay. So another is engineering and interpreter. Oh, so that is difference here, building engineering. So this one also is engineering and interpreter. So there are 8 vacancies for this, for male only and 22 years old and above, at least bachelor's college degree. So it says here, engineering, building maintenance, 7 applicants, translator, interpreter, 1 applicant, must be language, TLPT, and 2 and 3 may permitted, TOEIC certificate at 100 points above, engineering, at least bachelor's degree, science, technology, and engineering majors, at least specialist in humanities, international services, at least bachelor's college, bachelor's degree, all majors. So work experience is preferred also for this one. Okay, so it's same here, automobile repair maintenance, same. So farm worker and caregiver for any staff builders international and corporation. Okay, for the farm worker, so there are 20 vacancies for this. Application is until November 13, offered by Sacred Heart International Services Incorporation. So let's take a look for Sacred Heart. So this is their status in the POA website. So there's no Japan listed here yet at this moment. So which means that it's still for manpower pooling only. But anyway, so this is a legal legit agency offering these vacancies. So for male or female, 24 years old and above, minimum of 2 years experience, at least bachelor's college degree. So the address for this Sacred Heart International Services Incorporation is Unit 3B Davis Building, 1368A Mabini Corridor, Santa Monica Street, Ermita, Metro Manila, Philippines. So this job has no placement fee. Alright, so these are their contact details. 0945184673 Smart, 09614621453. Okay. And for the caregiver, I'm not sure because of your experiencing, maybe many are afraid of going to for the caregiver. So this job has no placement fee for male or female 22 years old and above. Minimum of 1 year experience offered by Eddie Staff Builders International Incorporation. And I know this Eddie Staff is well-known agency. Okay, here so they have Canada, Czech Republic, Oman, United Saudi Arabia. So Japan is baker bread. So it's not yet posted here for their job orders of this caregiver for Japan. Okay, so this is the latest hirings for Japan. Thank you for your time watching. This is Julie again saying, have a great day and have a lovely weekend for everyone. Thank you. Hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye.